Hi, I'm Miss Hearn. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to talk about different types of positional number systems, starting with our own. We work with the base 10 number system. And sometimes we like to write our base 10 numbers, like the number 253, in what we call expanded form. To understand expanded form, I want you to think about a cash drawer, like you would see in the grocery store, except in this cash drawer, instead of having the usual denominations, $1, $5, $10, $20, all of our dollar bills are going to be in denominations that are powers of 10. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So let's say that we're working with this cash drawer and we want to give someone $253 in change. We like to do this using the fewest number of bills possible. So think about how many $10,000 bills we would have. We're not going to use any $10,000 bills because that would be more than $253. To indicate that, I'm going to put a little zero next to the thing that on the little line next to times 10,000. We're having no times 10,000. And we're not going to give them a $1,000 bill either, so I'm going to put a zero next to the $1,000. However, I could give them $100 bills. In fact, I could give them two $100 bills. 2 times 100 means I'm actually giving them $200. How much do I have left to give them at this point? Well, 253 minus 200 leaves $53 that I need to give them. I can't give them another 100 because there's not 100 left, so I have to move on to the tens. How many tens fit into 53? Well, 5 of them, right? 5 times 10 is 50. So out of the $53 left to give them, we've now given them 50, leaving 3, so we need 3 $1 bills. This is what we call the expanded form of the number 253. We usually would just write this part. There's no need to put the zeros at the beginning. And the two different types of numbers that we see here are what we call the face value, the 2, the 5, and the 3, and then the place values, which in our number system are all powers of 10s. So the face values indicate the number of bills of a certain denomination. For example, the face value 2 means we have 2 $100 bills. The face value 5 means we have 5 $10 bills. And the face value 3 means we have 3 $1 bills. Now, when I actually write the number 253, I don't have to write the 100, the 10, and the 1 because the position of the number tells me which denomination that I'm talking about. This is why it's called a positional number system. Also, our bases are always powers of 10 because we're using a base 10 system. So the place values correspond to the denominations, the types of bills that we have in the drawer. Whereas the face values are the number of that type of bill we have to give. So that's how it works. That's how our base 10 number system can be written in expanded form. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will help other students to find the video. You can also subscribe to my channel, Miss Hearn Mathematics, for more math videos.